Hello, I'm Cindy with Wisconsin Voices for Recovery, and this is Speak Out on Stigma. Today we'll be hearing from Angie Jackson, a registered nurse and educator from Champion Healthcare. Hi, Angie, how are you today?
Hi, Cindy. I'm good. How are you?
Good, I'm good. So tell me, how does stigma against people perpetuate substance use disorders?
So, stigma discourages people from reaching out for help. And knowing that substance use disorder is a chronic, progressive condition, when people delay treatment, the disorder worsens, which in turn decreases their chance for recovery. And looking specifically at healthcare, and how stigma perpetuates substance use disorder. If a person finds themselves in a healthcare setting, they deserve to be treated with the same compassion as any other person with any other medical diagnoses. And unfortunately, that's not always the case or the stories that we hear. Um, Feeling unwelcome or stigmatized against will prevent someone from potentially reaching out again or wanting to return back to a place that is supposed to be professional and caring. This may lead to a continuous perpetual cycle of shame and guilt. And I think we're in a really unique position as healthcare professionals to be able to reduce stigma by paying attention to the language that we use, whether that's in our documentation or in our conversations with patients, and even more importantly, our language with each other as colleagues. Um, I think that's just a really kind of automatic thing that you can do to help with stigma reduction.
Yeah, absolutely. And I like how you mentioned that healthcare is well positioned to make a big difference in this area, especially with people coming in for help, wanting to feel supported, and then providing that support rather than stigmatizing people.
Right.
And what can be done to address stigma in the community, systemically, and within the structures that people with substance use disorder encounter?
So, implementing strategies to address stigma requires coordinated efforts by many people, I feel, in many different organizations, whether that's lawmakers, educators. I think that it really does start, though, with just one person, maybe one statement, maybe one smile, but I think that just every little action that each person does together can make a difference. But I think that this platform is a great example of creating a collaborative group of people who care about an issue and want to take action to make a change. And I think that it does just take that whole village, but one person at a time.
Yep, thank you for that. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
Yeah, I would just like to add that if anybody is seeking help, that it's really important to continue to reach out, um, and know that there are people out there that care and want to make a difference, and recognize that this is a progressive disease, and without seeking help, it will continue to worsen, and everyone deserves recovery. So,
Yes, everyone does deserve recovery. Thank you so much, Angie, for sharing your views on stigma. And thank you to our viewers for watching. Speak Out on Stigma is a forum to raise awareness about the harmful impact of stigma on those in and seeking recovery. Recovery is for everyone. Together, we can eliminate stigma. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you and have a great day.